Hello, welcome back to Red a Turd Art. Yes, it's cheesy bookmark corner time. Now this is a really quick and easy corner bookmark for Geronimo Stilton fans or Thea Stilton fans. Now I do plan to have a go at making a Geronimo and a Thea at some point soon, but these were really quick and really easy, and I just thought you'd like to see these in the meantime whilst you wait for the other ones. So come on then, let's take a look and see how they're made. So all you need is a square piece of yellow paper. This is about 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. Some scissors, to be honest, that's all you need, but I'm also going to use these three just for some little extras, but you'll see that in a minute. So we'll begin by making our basic corner bookmark. Turn it around, bring this point up, this point across, to create a right angle down here, and this point up to line up. Open your flaps, bring one of these two down and bring the flap back over and tuck it in. Now I've made a lot of these before, so I'm going quite quickly. If you need to, you can pause the video at any time. Right, now you have your basic corner bookmark. I'm just going to cut across it because it'll make the rest a little bit easier. And you have a nice little corner. Now I want to turn it into a cheese. So you don't have to use a pencil, but I just think it's a little bit easier. You can now draw some rough, not too hard because you're going to rub out the lines afterwards, some nice little holes to make with your scissors. But I'm also going to use a hole punch. So I'm just going to do a couple of those in addition to the other holes I'm going to be doing. I think it's nice to have different sizes. That's where the little one's quite handy. Maybe one over here. I'm also going to cut and then I'm going to cut out, this is a bit trickier, cut out these little holes. Here we go. That's it. That's how easy it is to make a cheese corner bookmark. So let's pop it into our Geronimo Stilton book and see what it looks like. Oh my goodness, isn't that adorable? That's so cute and super quick and easy. So as promised, I will have a go at making a Geronimo and a Thea bookmarks at some point in the future. This is just a really quick cheese bookmark to keep you going in the meantime. I think it's super fun and super easy. So if you liked what you saw, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. But above all, keep watching and keep making. We'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.